Sit. Good work. Good work. See. 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 Come on. Good work. Now we're going to shake first. Come on. See. 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 Show me. Show me. Yes. Good boy. Push. Good boy. Good boy. Boy, you good boy. Good boy. Push. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Wow, look at that.
Got a little flash.
Come on, man. Let's get the man a hand. Come on.
Good work. See? 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 Show me. Show me. Show me. Good boy. Where's good boy? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Where's your good boy? Where's your good boy? Where's your good boy? Your good boy. I don't know if I can get that out of there or not.
Get the heck out of here. He found that? Oh my God. Can you believe that? Tell me that ain't valuable.
Come here. Come. Shake. Good boy. Sit. Good work. See. 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 Boy. See. Yeah, probably, but that's not what I'm looking for. Come on. See.
It's a card reader.
Come back. Come back. Come back. See. See. You're in it. I know you are. Get back in there. Show me. Yes, there you go. Good boy. Good boy. Where's your good boy? Good boy.
Wow. It was masked with the trash smell,
Good
too.
boy. Where's your good boy? Oh, yeah.
Wow.
So, little thumb drive. Yeah.
Wow.
Newton, come. Come. Sit. Where's your good boy? Good work. See? Get in here. Come on. See? 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 Keep working. Keep working. See? See? Show me. Yes, good boy.
How did he get that from there?
Where's your good boy? Good boy. Good boy. Where's your good boy? Where's your good boy? Good boy.
Oh my God.
Good boy. And then so something like this, right? Actually, a little thumb drive.
Get the hell out of here.
So you can imagine, and it's happened before to me and to other people too. You saw something like this in a kid's toy box or something,
Yeah.
right? You pass right over it 100% of the time. So, yeah, he's done some great work. So.
Wow.
Newton free. Good boy.
Good boy.